Hi everybody. So just thought I would share with you my latest project. I have a flat garage roof and it's a rolled roof, and over the years it has been resurfaced and painted a few times and it's chipping. So I want to go ahead and get this resurfaced. So I've purchased many gallons of the resurfacing material that I'm going to be using. I just finished sweeping it and prepping it, and away we go. All right, so day 2, second coat. It looks a little blue, but that's normal because it's a little blue until it's dry, and it will dry white. So I think it's a success overall. It's totally gratifying and went on really easy. Yeah, so yay, good to go. Another roof of the multifamily house resurfaced.